Welcome back to the exam preparation video series for AI-102, Designing and Implementing an Azure AI Solution. I am Bobbie Russell and I'm a Microsoft Technical Trainer. This is the third episode out of a total of 6 episodes in this series. In this episode, we'll focus on the things that you see here. Here's a list of all the different skills you may be tested on. These are sometimes referred to as may included, meaning they may or may not be on your exam. This list isn't exhaustive, and while we won't be covering every skill in this video, be sure you're able to perform these skills before you take your exam. Remember, the feature and use cases for an agent. Be able to illustrate the examples of agents in areas such as the healthcare industry, energy, travel and hospitality, consulting and professional services, software and technology, and retail and automotive. But understand what an agent is. Have a good understanding of the differences between the basic agent setup and the standard agent setup as shown in the image here. The basic agent setup uses multi-tenant search and storage resources, which are fully managed by Microsoft. In contrast, the standard agent setup uses customer-owned single-tenant search and storage resources, providing you full control and visibility. So understand these setups is going to be crucial in preparing for your exam. Understanding how to create and debug agents using the Azure AI agent service is also important. You should focus on the agent's playground, which allows you to explore prototypes and test agents without writing any code. Also, be familiar with the steps involved in creating a new agent, configuring its parameters, and providing clear instructions to improve the agent's performance. These are going to be critical things. Having a key understanding of the components and features of semantic kernel and AutoGen, as shown in the image, is also worth noting. The semantic kernel includes AI connectors, plugins, planner, and memory, which are essential in orchestrating actions and providing a robust agent runtime. Remember this. AutoGen focuses on experimentation with multi-agent systems and advanced design patterns, making it ideal for prototyping sophisticated AI systems. You'll need to understand the concept of multi-agent orchestration as depicted in the image. The diagram shows how complex workflows can be managed using multiple agents, such as chat completion agent and search plugins, to perform tasks autonomously. So remember that orchestration and coordination of these agents is going to be helpful. So make sure you prepare, you practice, and do these in your lab. Understand testing an agent in the playground. Here's an example which is used for searching flights from Seattle to New York on the 20th of March. After testing, you can further customize the agent by adding more intents, training data, and actions. So understand that training process. To recap this episode, we discussed how to create custom agents. Remember, this group accounts for about 10 to 15% of your exam, so keep in mind when preparing for your exam about those ratios. Thank you for watching episode 3 on implementing an agentic solution. Be sure to join us for episodes 4, where we're going to cover implementing computer vision solutions.